Yo, what is going on YouTube? Got some new car parts for the STI. I've already opened them. I'm gonna show you guys what it is, and then let's get to installing. Should be a quick, easy mod. Something that I've wanted for a while, and it was cheap too, so something I've just been slacking on, but I finally got it. Let's go ahead and open it, and then get to installing.
Like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato, take out, no monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna, bouncing off and I'm trying to weave an anaconda, jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water, glass, see cars out, got me big bad for Ronald, out, bag of money, knew I gotta have it, savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali, Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage, kill his whole family.
Now, if you guys couldn't tell, these are some rain guards, not OEM. These are a little bit different. They have this like a little indentation right here. Kind of flows together because the the back side and the front kind of match up together, and it keeps the indentation flowing. I like these just because it's different than the OEM look. It just goes attached with some 3M tape. We're gonna go ahead and clean the surface on the car with like an alcohol pad, and then we're just gonna get to sticking. And I mean, they're pretty cool. They're just gloss black. They're not see-through, like, you know, sometimes some are like you could see through them. These are just like pitch black. I don't know if I like that, but I mean, the same car, the car is black, so I think it'll tie it all in together. Let's just go ahead and wipe off the surfaces. Out here where I'm from, it's been like really foggy, and it rained last night, so the car is just covered in ashes and it's just covered in ashes and raindrops. So let's just wipe this off, right? Get to sticking. Alright, let's get started. Shout out United Airlines for supplying me with this sanitizing wipe. I traveled recently, and they gave us this alcohol wipe, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use these. I have 2 of them, so I'm gonna wipe down the back, this driver's side with this one, and the other pad I'm gonna use it for the other side.
I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside a ghost and hop up in a fan, I know I'm about to blow, whoa, whoa, I ain't done. They try to take my flow, I take the ass for ransom. I know that I'm gone, they see me blowing up, now they say they want some. I got 2 twin Glocks, turn you to a dancer. I see 2 twin ops, leave them on a banner. And I got 2 thick thoughts, wanna link the game. I got red, I got blue, what you want? The Chanel, Balenciaga, Louis, and Vuitton. She know I got the Fendi Prada when I hit Milan. I needed me a diet rider, I need me the one. I started from the bottom, you can see the way I stun. I want all the diamonds, I want that shit to weigh a ton. The ops, they tryna lie me cause they hate the place I'm from. But them niggas don't know me, they just know the place I'm from. I got lots of shorties tryna put to my place, but you ain't want me last year, so just get up in my face. They all up in my inbox, so I know they wanna taste. I know they want my downfall, a nigga, are you lazy? I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside a ghost and hop up in a fan, I know I'm about to blow, whoa, whoa, I ain't done. They try to take my flow, I take their ass for ransom. I know that I'm gone, they see me blowing up, now they say they want some. I got 2 twin Glocks, turn you to a dancer. I see 2 twin ops, leave them on a banner. And I got 2 thick thoughts, wanna link the game, yeah.
I'm upset. 50,000 on my head is disrespect. So offended that I had to double check. I'ma always take the money over sex. That's why they need me out the way, what you expect. Got a lot of blood and it's cold. They keep trying to get me for my soul. Thankful for the women that I know.
Alright guys, as you guys saw, I'm done with the driver's side. Now I'm on the passenger side. You can see all the ashes on the car. let's go ahead and wipe down these. Let's go wipe down the this trim, whatever you want to call it, and start sticking on this side.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we.
I've never realized how dirty this was, but there's actually a lot of like dirt that comes out of these. I never knew there was that much dirt. Sometimes I do put tire shine on the trim just to make it look shiny, cause it just looks clean. So this might be a part of that. But anyways, let's go ahead and start sticking. Guys, we're finally done. Let's go ahead and take a look at them.